Okay, let's go. Let's test if the sound is okay. Oh. Doesn't seem to be that okay. Anyway. Oh, this is my phone. Mm. Come on. Oh, I need to. To run the front end. Now here we go. Connected. I need to finish this page. I don't even know what's left on it. I don't have a to-do list. That's unfortunate because I should be able to just remember what's left to do. Get current user team. Okay, yeah. User teams. Yeah. Why is it in user? And not in user team? Weird thing happening here. I don't even know if the add method works. Yes, it does. I don't even remember what left to do. Yeah, this validation is okay. What I'm confused about is that I don't know why the current user team is not inside of this. I don't know. Get current user teams. Okay, so it's my bad. It's already it's actually okay. It's actually fine. Current user team. So not crazy. What is this? Because it's not used anywhere. It's just a method that is implemented for the sake of it. Okay. The policy, we don't really care about it. Use team controller. This is what so the store method works. I guess the update method works also because it's pretty much the same thing. Why it passes the UID, I don't remember. There's a reason why I do this, but I think it's because of the subdomain or something. What? If request as the image, then we change the image. If not, we set the image as false. Is it the same behavior as the platform? Inside of the front end, I mean. If data image null, payload equal null. So if we just want to keep the image as it is, so if this is false, so we keep the same thing, yeah. And if it's not, no. And if it's an image, then it's not. So it seems to be working. If I change the image, I have thousands of images. Yeah, this one, which is me. Perhaps it's too heavy, yeah. The file is too large. I didn't know that I used it. Anyway. Going to compress it. I should remember what's the command to compress images. Anyway. Perfect. Then if I upload the image, save, boom. Now it doesn't display properly. Something I didn't notice is that the object contained must be, the object cover must contain must be cover, not contained, something like that. Oh no, there is even worse, there is no object contained. Yeah, so this is size 5, but it should be object contain. Now, boom, it works. Perhaps the image is kind of too small. Let's increase it. Like that. Now, this one should remain a bit smaller. I didn't pay attention if it changes, okay, so I need to translate this also. I changed the language to French to see if everything has been translated correctly. Oh, well, this is funny. Yeah, it changes the order and function of the current language. This is handled by it's in the model. Where is it? It's handled here. It's a pretty nice feature. It's not really a feature, but it's pretty nice element of UX. Let's try to add a team. Same thing, let's upload an image. Yeah, sure enough, it's over there. I wonder why there is absolutely nobody in my teams. Let's see. The user ID 2 should have a team. Or it was platform ID 2 for some reason. I don't know why. If I refresh, I think this comes from the cache, right? Bum, bim, bum, bum, bim. Come on. Okay, let's go. Admin teams. And I think I barely have any SQL queries since it. Yeah, because it calculates. Oh yeah, and I said it wasn't really that bad. Which is another platform. Yeah, it's a platform user team. So it's indeed comes from the cache, but not the calculation of the user. Let's try to remove the cache. Yeah, so I have one number here. Perfect. Perfect. What should I do then? Oh, is there an... Let me check if there is a update or something, because yeah, plugin update available. I was pretty sure about this because Sony 4.5 has been released recently, and I wonder if JetBrains IDE has just implemented it. Yeah, let's go. Let's update it. You replace the O for Chat GPT-5. That somehow, if you just use it in asking mode, it's kind of okay. But if you don't, it's pretty bad. If you use it as coding, it's not that great, but for finding issues, it's pretty good. At least from what I've experienced. So now I can go to the settings and just select the right model, aka Sony 4.5. Where is 4.5? Oh, it has been released yesterday. Nice. Can't wait to try it. Perhaps it will be even better. Just asking stuff. We need to update the missing translation case from the user team form. So translate the missing translation keys. Let's see if you understand what I mean. Pretty slow though. I don't want him to just write some tests. I really hate that. I should specify this inside of the Judy configuration to the MD files. But anyway, yeah, okay, smashed it. Perfect. So now, if I just want to add in a team, we do have name. What did it change exactly? An image. Image, yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Let's refresh it. I want to compare it to the prices. If it's the same and now I just need to translate the messages. By the way, do I have the validations working on? Yeah. This one, the tooltip. It's not tooltip, the toast. And since they are managed by the controller, same thing, but for the controller. I want to ask him to think more because he doesn't need to. In theory, it should be way faster, no? I don't know. It's three of them. User team added, user team dead, user team deleted. Okay. No, I will fix this. Oh. I don't even remember how to select more of those. Oh, fuck. Multi-select in this editor. Option shift. I don't want multi-selection. I just want to go to the next. No. Okay. I don't know. But in English I would have to also to fix this one. Where is it? Where is it? Here. Use a team, maybe use a team. It sounds better in English. Can remove that. And now I need to, since everything is working, let me see if I delete this. Perfect. If I add one, yes, and if I edit it, perfect. Everything is translated perfectly. Now we need to make this work. So yeah, that is switching. I don't have the roots, right? Now I'm thinking about it. I think it's a full 4, right? Priced by each animal. Oh, okay. Oh, let's still have the room. I didn't see that I add the room transition key for that. No. Oh yeah. Oh, I need to do. Okay. Like that. And I guess I need to do the same thing, but for the English version of it. Admin user team. User team or users team? Because the code is user team, user team, user team. Create a new user team. Let's keep it like that. And then we need to change this. Oh yeah, auto switching. Is it the same thing for the prizes? Change visibility. Yeah, apparently. So it would be user team. I think, right? Price visibility. Yeah, and user teams. Hello. Switching. Yeah, use the invisibility. And now the root, since the root does not exist, I hope we'll see an error. Yeah, the root is not in the root list. Perfect. Now let's try Kotsune 4.5 and ask him. Let's not change the visibility. It will be switching team. Switching team. Come on, yeah. Is switching team enabled? Is switching team enabled? Make this work in the backend. User teams and then user teams controller. And boom. And let's see what it does. Let's see what Sunny 4.5 does. I should extract this to a new window. Switching team enabled, required boolean. It seems to work absolutely perfectly. Seems to have worked absolutely perfectly. Let me check. What is this? Oh. That is the first time I just used that much credits. And yeah, half of the month. Half of the subscription. This is interesting. Process visibility. Here we go. Speech rights. Use the team controller. Visibility. Why does it call visibility? It's still stupid. Because I can just see this. There we go. Session flash type success. Validate session to enable. Session to disable. The only thing is that I didn't create a session case. Hello, switching. Switching. Hello, switching. And here, hello, switching. Here we go. And now it should work. No, it doesn't. I mean, it does, but I don't get the original value. It is switching team enabled. It's in the platform resource. That's why I don't. That's what I don't understand. Let me check the database. It's in the migration, right? Yeah. Automate extension. I didn't migrate the table. Damn. Okay. Let's migrate it. Let's migrate it. PHP artisan migrate. Here we go. Then we clear the cache. And then if we refresh the database, we should be able to see that all the switching stuff, right? Switching team enable. Here we go. Now I believe I have to reconnect myself to the dashboard. Exactly. Well, now I have to change the languages. Figure the team and I just click on this. It doesn't work. Interesting. It stays as at false. Let me see the payload. Is switching into enable true. Platform update deleted. Oh, I think it's because I need to update the model of the platform. I don't know where the model. Oh, is. Come on. Oh, it's here. Platform. And then I need to. So it's already inside of it. Switching team enabled. Why I'm not able to make it work. Oh, because it's switching enabled. My bad. It should be that. And then inside of my user team, I need to change this. Boom, 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 boom. And now it should be working just fine. Yeah, it does work. Only thing I have to do now is to add the translation. I have way too many files. Use it in controller, and we need to just add the translation for that. Let's ask the AI. Translations for Windows. Translation keys. Oh. No, it's finished. Translation has been made. It's verified. Team switching enabled, team switching disabled. Pretty straightforward. Let me check in French now. Changement d'équipe activé, changement d'équipe désactivé. Perfect. Double check. Nice. Okay, I think it's pretty almost done. I don't exactly know what's left to do on this page. Let me think. Asking review my changes and my user team logic and see if you detect any potential issues. Let's see if Claude Sonnet 4.5 that has been released yesterday is good at reviewing files, reviewing changes, and analyzing codes. Otherwise, I would have to review all those files, which I clearly don't want to, even though I think I will have to. Is the observer called? Yeah. Critical security vulnerabilities. Nah, I can't believe it. I reviewed user team implementation and found several critical security vulnerabilities and logic issues that need immediate attention. Missing platform verification and update delete operation. Both methods functioned by UID without verifying they belong to the current platform. This alone mean platform A. No, you can't. Because I scoped it by the platform. Review and take in consideration my multi-tenant middleware, which is ensure current platform. Hey bro, what's up? Hello Dono. What is up? I'm just finishing my team page. Like it's almost finished. I just asked the AI if I missed stuff and if there is change to make or if there is issues and stuff. Like the AI finds me critical security issues that doesn't exist. But anyway, sometimes it finds nice things. Missing platform filter and get current user team. No. No. My priority issue pivot table platform I did not used. I think yeah, it's not used, but I think it will be used. Location, user team and user team user relationship. The user team user pivot table has a platform ID column, but the relationship don't use with pivot platform ID or set automatically when I change the path to the platform ID. We will know. Okay, let me check. You're working on feature 2, bro. Can you remind me your project? I don't know if it already talked about it to me. Oh fuck, I've opened in the current window. My bad. Wave pivot. I don't use the weave pivot in this file, in this project. Apparently not. I don't know why I should use the weave pivot. Yeah. Add them to the list. The user pivot table is approximately the relationship. Don't use or set automatic no matter to use it. I don't know. Okay. I don't know if that makes sense to use it, for now at least. Yeah, let's hide it. Platform. Platform. User team. No way. So this doesn't work. I can use this, yeah, but I don't really see the point. So I don't know. Should I add it here also? I'm gonna try this after like PHP Artisan Tinker because I'm not that confident about it. This is weird that this works. Like why I don't have to specify the table. Not Tinder, no. Tinker. It's the guy that was talking about the letting AI test website. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. I remember. Did you progress on it? Now I need to do like platform first, and then call the relation, which is user teams, and it shouldn't be working, and it works. Why? I still had it. As many user team class, and just specify this. Belongs to many user team user. As many, we don't need to specify it apparently. Apparently we don't need to specify this either, so it's only in the user. So if I attach my user, platform ID 1, user ID 2, user team ID 1, now, boom. Yes, and then if I just how do I quit this? No. User first. No, fine. Here we go, and then just say user team. No. Oh, user teams. We do have this, and with the pivot. And if we remove this and just restart Tinker, of course, and rerun that, we still have the pivot. But we do not have the platform ID inside of the pivot, so yeah, okay. Here we go. So the with pivot is, where is it used? So it's only on belongs to many, right? Or inside of the cache. User team. Berry sauce is hard to bear, bro. DW, I don't even know what it means. Dead with laugh. Got it to work, not in the cloud yet. Working on the website itself, right? Still have to do. And when you will think you are at like 90% of the project, you are in fact only at 50%, because the details, everything is in the details. I don't know if with pivot is useful here. Anyway, let's keep it like that. Use and use a team. Missing wait on time, we couldn't use a team. Add explicit written for known cases. If subdomain. Oh, yeah. With a new connection or with a no directly? I can't because it's a connection thing. I don't know if this would work or this would be interesting. Yeah, I feel like I'm at 30%. It's been 3 months. Depending on how much you work on it every day, but yeah, it takes time, too much time. True, that's right. Simply bypassing place to check. Code quality issues. Both contain validation mission for rank field that doesn't exist. That's actually true. Remove these lines. I'm so stupid. Like, how I not see that? Inconsistent root parameter handling. User team controller. In the update method, there is a problem. Method manually accepts subdomain UID parameters instead of using the root model binding, which is inconsistent with laravel best practices. Come on, I cannot use root model binding. N+1 query problem issue. The code loop through teams and count use individually causing N+1 queries. You should use with count. I'm not sure I can do this. I'm not really sure. Or use with count. There is no way this is working. Yeah. I don't want to load the user. This would be completely retarded. Should use so let's see another version of the correct of the analysis. Security issue resolved by middleware. Yeah, thank God. Issues still requiring attention. Switching medium. The method doesn't explicitly filter by platform ID in its code. While the global scope should apply, the implementation is confusing and the cache key is based on super instead of platform ID. I'm confused. I have to go and look for a minute. Let me continue to debug all this. But the cache is good. I don't get it. If I just see prices, for instance, the cache works the same way with the platform, with the subdomain. Because I cannot have the subdomain as a way, I would have to make an extra query, which is completely unoptimal, suboptimal. Anyway. No, I don't want to do this. I want to keep the bim bim bam bam bim. I don't have it on this one. Bim, bam, 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 bam. No, I use the subdomain everywhere, so it's okay. Pivot table, preferably not handled. Location user team. Where is it? User team, yeah, with pivot. Recommitted fix. Yeah, I did it. And in the user team model. Bum, 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 bum. User team model. I think I already did it. Also create an observer or use model event to auto-populate platform ID. Yeah, this is a nice idea. Use a team in the static boot method created. When editing a user and platform ID is set, user team use a new pivot statement. Should I do this here or should I do this when I link the user to the platform? Anyway. I don't know. User team user new pivot statement. I never knew this was a how do we say, a method. Yeah. And how are you happy with the magic right now? New pivot statement. Oh, okay, so it does work. User team sits at the pivot table. I think user should be set. Is this really correct? Or ended it when I touch him? Yeah, I think I will use this. Yeah, I'm multitasking. I think written type in contain. No, I did it. I fixed it. Written empty connection when there's subdomain. Yeah. And percent query, but probably. Oh, use fixed. First of all, why do I need platform? User team, wave count, user with platform any order. This works. But what's the point of creating this method then? And doesn't fetch the it does work and it's more efficient in terms of database queries, but it doesn't use the cache system. So yeah, sure, it's perfect, but yeah, I can keep it like that. Order by name look down ask. I have too many files. Here we go. No, it's not this one. Name local ask, ID ask, ID ask, yeah. Okay, so now let's ask the same question but with GPT-5 instead of Sonnet 4.5. I'm curious about what it's going to say. And then I will review it by hand. But I will push and this feature will be over. Oh, I didn't specify that I'm using a middleware. By the way, this morning I managed to fix all of the bugs that I had in the front end of this website. It was completely retarded. It was a Tailwind CSS class that was applied on these badges that was apparently asking too much to the GPU, and it was make the website completely crash. Not crashes, but there was some flickering everywhere. I don't know why I have green hair, green eyes anyway. Let's read. It's way worse to read. Caching scope coupling. Getting relies on a request subdomain for the cache key and the global content scope added. Oh, he figured himself for the middleware, that's right. If when this method is called in context where middleware doesn't run jobs, CLI test, it could return teams from all platforms. Yeah, indeed, it's something to take in consideration. Considering explicitly constraining by platform current. When available, returning an empty collection when no subdomain. No, this won't work because this uses the subdomain thing. So it's not on point. I don't know what this is. Okay. So no, this is not correct. Globally, that's fine since you expose UID and rating, but make sure you front end no. Stay on cache risk for concurrent team user. There is no cache invalidation when user membership in a team change. Oh, come on. Current user team is never indeed invalidated, and this is a problem, like a huge problem. Oh, because okay, let's say I'm on the team support informatique, but suddenly I changed the DB, and instead of being in team user informatique, I am in the team département juridique. It's working, it's not even in the cache. Oh no, it's in the cache. It's just that this doesn't require the cache to run. So yeah, this is a problem. This needs to be removed somehow. This is a, yeah. I think, oh, the readme. You can. Yeah, this is we can't use. How can I edit this? Yeah, we need to just add this little stuff. Invalidate when user team is changed. Still. When user team is changed or deleted or user change teams, so I need also to put it in the observer. Oh yes, one of the options was to create a model just for the pivot table. Oh, but I don't have it. I don't have the user ID here. No. This is so bad. When the user team is changed or when the platform when he is deleted or when user change team. So this is something that you have to keep in mind for the rest of the project. Yeah. I googled. Thank you for the new words. So, next thing. When occur. You can add a small service to handle team membership changes that both update or hook into event when membership changes performed, or create an observer-like mechanism around the preparation if they are centralized. Let's identify mod observer where pivot strategy logic. But how could I create a small service? I would ask the AI, how could I create a service to team controller. If image is present but not a file, you know the image. Yeah. This is often correct when the UI sends a sentinel to clear the image, but make sure UI only sends image when the user actually intends to remove or replace it. Otherwise, an unrelated update could intentionally wipe the image. Consider using explicit flag to make it clear. I never thought about this. To make intent clear and leave image key for the upload only, you don't delete the previous image from the S3 when replacing or removing. If storage cost matters, considering queuing a delete for the old file after a successful update. It's true, but it's true. But since I considered that I put everything inside of a big platform folder, I can just remove the entire platform. So the folder when the platform will be removed. So I don't know. Method signature and with params. Platform scoping during queries. Index expect. Unsupervised scope. Then but harmless. Wouldn't say can I have a safety net. That's a good point. I don't need this. I don't need it since it's already scoped. But if I remove the scope, then we will see. Oh, come on. I would say much more teams. Let's add this, and I can't speak English. Damn. Update accept subdomain even though it's a domain parameter. That's valid and error and harmless, but since you change it, you can drop it for clarity. I don't think I can do this. Validation of transition name, you require every name code for all. This is good if you exchange input for alternation. It's correct. This implies a platform it's acceptable treatment platform from the unique key. This prevents the user joining the same, which is correct. However, there is still platform ID on the pivot. There's no database guarantee that platform ID on the pivot matches. This meant speed of queries. That's fine. It's a source of truth. Consider. Caching strategy. Is it the collection or not? Oh no, let me take a can't use a team. Search scope, I don't get this one. Oh. Is it working correctly? Yes, it does. And if I just try to search for someone that is not inside of that platform, will it also work? Like for instance, this dude. is he in the platform? Platform user. I only have one platform. No, I have the user ID. This one. This one is inside of another platform, so let's try it. It's not scoped. Oh, because he is in two different platforms. User ID 2. If we said that it's in two platforms, right? Is equal to this. No, isn't. What? Platform ID 2, user ID. Yeah, so oh no, so it is in two platforms. So if we remove it from the platform, yes, it is removed. It's okay then. Okay, so it's okay. There I find nice improvement to make. Yeah, let's remove everything. It's almost time to go. And let's review every little changes. Bim 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 bum bum bum. Bada bum bum bim 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 bada bum bum bim. Yeah, let's get imagery wrong. Use the TMC there. Yeah, I want to check the transition key. Yeah. They just changed the punctuation. Same for here. But I just it didn't really checked if my frontend was okay. sounds way too complicated for nothing. Pretty good fixes. Oh no, I don't like to see this. What's happening here? Problem is outcode ID use it in form and you reference it for multiple buttons across the page. Duplicate ID is valid. The ID is not outcoded. Yes, it's hard-coded actually. But is it hard-coded also in the price form? Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da-bum. Yeah, but some different pages, I don't think it's that relevant. Yeah, that's a good idea. Arrow switching. The pairs of score don't really care because it's always on the top of the page side. This is also a nice idea. To preserve the scroll. But bind input with language should, if codes ever come uppercase, key won't match. Bim 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 bum 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 bum. So let's continue with my review. I think I was here, and I was here. Yeah, the front end, I don't want to review the front end, to be honest. This is okay. Factory is okay. Form, I think is okay. Team observer. Policy is okay. Observer is okay. Now let me double check if the and if I remove this, yeah, indeed. Even though it creates errors for some reason, I don't know why. Oh, because I cancelled the request, I guess. So I use the team Cedar. It's pretty straightforward. I think I can commit everything. Commit and push. I didn't even check the warning. Anyway, I don't even know which branch I am. think I only have one. No, I'm gonna leave it. Okay, it's fine. Here we go. Huge chunk of the project have been finished. I didn't check if the responsive was great. Yeah, it's fine. It's usable. That's what matters. Oof. So I think that's it for today. It was 2 hours and 10 minutes and 8 minutes to be precise. And I finished what I wanted to do. So yeah, I will end the stream here, and thanks for watching, and see you